Most of the people in this world are introverts. They like to walk alone in this life's journey. Listen, 98% of billionaires are introvert. But remember, being an introvert doesn't make you successful in your life. Many introverts have problem of social anxiety, but they don't admit it. They fool themselves by saying, "I am an introvert, and I don't need to fix my social anxiety." They don't understand that every man can improve their social skills. Being an introvert is amazing if you know how to use it. Today we are going to discuss 4 amazing qualities of people who are introverts. Point number 1. Energy and full attention. They talk about extroverts having more energy than introverts, but it's not that simple. Extroverted folks thrive in socializing and teamwork. That's where they shine. However, being alone for too long makes them a bit low on energy, like a downside. Now, if you lean more towards being introverted, it's the flip side. Too much socializing might tire you out, but being on your own or with a few people gives you an energy boost. This is why introverts can surprise others with unexpected achievements. Working alone is easier for them, and they don't feel burdened by loneliness. Remember, no one is entirely an introvert or an extrovert. We're all a mix of both. The trick is to figure out which side is stronger for you so you can make the most of your strengths. Point number 2. Innovative minds. Imagine extroverts like things everyone loves, while introverts go for what's special to them, not just what's trendy. Introverts spend more time alone, which helps them come up with unique ideas. Think of it like how famous artist Vincent van Gogh said, "A quiet life inspires creativity." Now let's talk about planning events. Extroverts shine when it's all about big, lively parties. On the other hand, introverts excel in creating thoughtful and one-of-a-kind events. When they team up, it's like a super duo making event planning extraordinary. This teamwork isn't just good, it's a powerful combo. I've seen succeed big time, whether it's hosting lively parties or arranging cozy gatherings. The introvert-extrovert partnership is like a winning team in the world of event planning. Introvert and extrovert combo doesn't work in these things, only it is very helpful for businesses also. Point number 3. Calm and planned. People who enjoy spending time alone often have a reserved nature and they don't share things easily. This might seem like a challenge, but it's actually a strength. It helps them stay calm and think carefully, unlike those who always want attention. Now, those who seek attention and love being social might get uneasy when there's silence. They find it awkward and try to break it, sometimes saying things they later regret. It's like they're throwing out thoughts without thinking. Introverts don't do that. They take their time to think before speaking, and they're okay with moments of quiet. They don't feel the need to force a conversation, which is a good thing. Of course, finding a balance is important. Extroverts can learn to know when it's time to be quiet, giving others a chance to speak. Introverts, on the other hand, can learn to be a bit more clever and chat casually when needed. It's all about finding the right mix. Point number 4. Sharp observation. People who enjoy their alone time are often excellent observers. It's like they have super eyes, just like a hawk. While others are busy talking and figuring things out verbally, introverts are quietly taking in all the information. They're really good at noticing what's going on and thinking deeply about it. Even if it seems like they're just sitting there quietly, they're actually paying close attention to everything around them. They're quick to pick up on how people move and the expressions on their faces. It's like they have a special ability to read the room and understand what's going on without saying a word. So, whether you lean more toward being alone or being social, share your thoughts below. Don't forget to join our community by hitting the like and subscribe button. And as always, stay confident and keep glowing.